juice. I hit it!
You hit it.
Alright, here's our next piece. Who's gonna put it in? Okay, Sawyer.
Yes.
Because Sawyer's the oldest and the smelliest. So this is what you do. You lift up and push it in. Just like that, okay? Okay, let me see you do it. Slide it this way and now push it in. There you go. Now push it down. There you did it! Okay, now we gotta go cut our next piece. Okay, it's gonna be loud. Plug your ears. Plug your ears.
Earball.
Cover your ears, Max.
Yeah, set that down. Plug your ears. There you go. Okay, who wants to hit in this next piece? Let's have Max do it. Yeah, we can have everyone take turns. Yeah, I'm gonna have you hit it with the hammer.
You can help Daddy? Max, that's so nice. Wait just a minute.
Can you hit that right there? Just right like this. See that? Now do another one right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hit like that. Okay, get it. Swing hard. Oh, no, just have it on the ground. Like that.
Good job.
Okay, now we're right there. Just rest it on the ground and you can just slide it on the ground. There you go.
Good job, baby. You did it.
Okay.
Dad's showing how to take the flooring that's under the tile. Under the laminate. Under the laminate. Bye bye.
Here you go, Maxie.
Oh, and then I remember.
No, I'm using this one.
Why?
Maxie really wants this tape measure. Hold on. Say tape measure.
Nana.
No, say tape
Dad.
measurer.
Nana.
No, wait, you gotta say it really good.
Nana.
Say tape
Dad.
measurer.
Nana. Take nana. Take nana. Take what?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
How with what?
with the hammer.
Ooh.
I was trying to let the kids hammer. Anyway, I had a good idea. When I do my final piece on the line that has to be cut, I always mark on the bottom of this board my measurement so that when I walk outside to cut it, I remember. And the kids were asking me why I was coloring on it. I realized it'd be really cool if you guys each got one board and you drew on it whatever you wanted and you wrote your name on it. And then when we put it on the flooring, your name and picture will be there for years and years and years and years.
Yeah. We got done and this is what I did on my floor, on my laminate. Look how I did on my laminate. I made laminate.
It's kind of hard to see in this light. Nice, guys.
Camera, get ready on Thor.
So, Sawyer, this is your piece that you colored on?
Uh-huh.
All right, let me get it started.
It's turning.
Oh, Sawyer.
Just like how we did it, remember?
Okay, Link, now your piece. My hand.
No, look.
Okay, that's done. Now right there.
Huge. My own piece.
I'm just teasing.
That's
Do you think I got you? I didn't think you got me any.
that is scared the heck out of me. Daddy? Can I just go?
Okay, we're all done.
Daddy, daddy, daddy. Daddy, 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 daddy. Daddy.
Okay, now the final product. This floor is all the way done. Already being enjoyed by Winston. Now it's time for some baseboards and some touch-up on the paint. I want to show you guys this last thing. This was the trickiest part of the whole job here, was all these posts coming down from the railing of the staircase. I'm going to do some caulk there, I think, rather than do trim to hide that seam. But I think it all turned out good. Tell me what we found.
Bones all over the place.
Bunch of deer bones. Huh? I just kind of stepped on them. But there's a spine that was like perfectly right here in the grass.
Look.
Let me step back so you can show us, Link.
Bone. Look at this. I wonder what this is from.
I don't know what Maxie keeps doing with the bones. Max is being crazy on this walk. He will not listen to us.
Look, another bone.
Keep telling him that he's gonna fall and needs to hold our hand, and he just does not care. Mama does not like these bones. She's grossed out. Winston found these bones and he's loving it.
He's eating them.
He's laying down in the pile of bones eating them, huh?
Can dogs eat bones?
Yeah. I think when they're baked, they're not supposed to be chewing on them. But these ones should be okay.
No, he climbed up by himself.
Good job, Maxie. Proving us wrong.
No.
Don't fall, don't fall.
Another. Which one?
He's saying down.
Mom.
No, don't go on your bum. You'll get your bum dirty.
Oh, dirty man.
He's covered. Every time he falls, he gets covered in ash.
I know. Oh, that one is burnt, huh?
Yeah. I'm making.
Oh, sure enough.
Look at this.
Is that what you were showing me?
No, I was telling you that they were that old though.
Okay, but the other one you showed me was just brown. You said it was burned.
Maybe from the dirt. Regardless, I could tell from the bones that they were super old.
Well, you should be a paleontologist then.
You just shut your mouth about these type of things. I've been around bones and hunting, and
You've gone hunting one time.
I've gone hunting a bunch of times.
Nice.
I've gone hunting in our marriage one time.
Oh.
I'm about to go hunting again if you
We've
keep
been
talking to me
married
like
for
that.
8 years, so it's not like you're around bones all the time.
Hey, he almost smacked you in the head. That was, yeah, it was
Oh,
really
right.
close.
Ooh, that's steep. Be careful, baby.
Look how deep this is. It's really tricky. What? Oh gosh. Here it came.
Let's go through these trees. You okay? You sure are a determined little baby.
We saw a big, huge herd of deer. Winston, sit. And Winston chased him. He's never done that before. And then he came back. I had to call him back after he chased him for a little bit, and he has a little bit of blood on him. So we don't know what happened, if he ran into barbed wire, or a deer kicked him, or if he bit a deer or
It
something
kinda
like
looks
that.
like that might be. Stay. It's just so dark down here in his. Stay. Down here in his fur.
You think it's like a puncture?
Yeah. I wonder if he hit barbed wire right in his eye.
That could be possible.
When we wash him, we'll have to look at it.
Yeah, we'll have to pay attention to if he has like a poke there. We'll have to
Max,
make sure that
come
it's
here.
not
Max.
that it doesn't get infected or anything.
Yeah.